right on top of this paper here, divisibility. Have we talked divisibility before? Yes, we have. Do not let Zach off your spokesman.
Okay.
You should have learned that lesson many years ago. What does divisibility mean? Children of all ages. Sophia.
How can you divide it?
Well, divisibility means can a number go in evenly into another? Can a number hashtag go evenly into another number? In other words, it'll be crystal clear when I write this down here. A number can be divided by 2. Number can be divided by 2 if what's true about it. This should be easy for you. Every number that is what can be divided by 2, Zach? Yeah, if it's even. It is even. For example, 3,672 can be divided by 2 because it ends with a 2 and it'll be even. I don't think we have to talk about that. But you may or may not know divisibility by 3. How do you know if a number can be divided by 3? For example, if I give you the number 153 or 53. How do you know if 3 goes into it? And you don't want to have to sit and divide it all out. You're not going to sit there because if you have a really long number like 7,524, you don't want to have to sit down and say, okay, I'm going to divide that all out. How do you know? Lauren?
If you cover up the last number, you think it goes.
You just making this up?
Kind of.
Yeah, I thought so. Anybody else have any other thoughtful suggestions? Sophia?
It's odd.
Nope. 17 is odd and 3 doesn't go into it. Zach?
If there's a factor key,
Yeah, but how do you know that? I will give it to you here, children. This is it. It's called the sum of the digits rule. Not, it's S-U-M, not S-O-M-E. Sum of digits. And what that means is this. This is a good thing to know. When you add the digits together, is that divisible by 3? And I'll just do an example because that's kind of wordy. Here is the deal with that. Let's take that 153. If you want to know if 3 goes into 153, you add all of the digits together. I'm not 100% sure why this works, which means you take 1 plus 5 plus 3. What do you get if you add 1 plus 5 plus 3? Chase? 9. If 3 goes into that number, then 3 goes into 153. It's called the sum of the digits. Zach doesn't believe it, so I will do it. 153 divided by 3 is actually 51. How about 7524? If you add those together, 7 plus 5 plus 2 plus 4. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. Does 3 go into 18? Yes, then 3 will go into this. You want me to do it? Actually, you can tell it as it's what, 2508. You take 3 into that, you get 2508. That is what's called the sum of the digits. You can amaze your friends with that sometimes. How do you know if 4 goes into a number? The rules of divisibility 4 are simply if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4. If the last 2 digits are divisible by 4. And that means this: if you have 8,765,208, 4 will go into that because you just look at the last 2 digits. If 4 goes into those 2 digits, then 4 will go into the whole number. Just take my word for it. That's kind of a fun one, isn't it? How about 5? 5, I'm going to guess you know. Brian, how do you know if 5 goes into a number? Think about when you multiply everything by 5. 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, 5 times 4, 5 times 5. What happens every time you do that?
Each time by 5.
What do you always get when you multiply by 5? Madison?
The digit either ends in 0 or 5.
Yep. If it ends with a 5 or a 0. Like if you have 75, you know. If you have 75, you know 5 goes into it because it ends with a 5. If you have 6,320, you know 5 goes into it because it ends with a 0. A 0 or a 5 means that 5 will go into it. I can tell you are like aghast. The only other one they really give you is 9. And 9, I will just say, it is just like 3, it's the sum of the digits. But if the sum of the digits, if 9 goes into the sum of the digits, then 9 goes into the whole number. So, if you had 1,000,000, oh wait, let me do this. If you had this, 111,111,111, does 9 go into that? What do you get if you add 1 plus 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 1? John? 9. You want me to see if I can do 9 into that? I am going to do it just to prove you wrong. It is. So 9 should go into this, right? Because the sum of the digits say that it should. 9 goes into 11 once. 9 goes into 21 twice. Wait, where am I at here? 9 goes into 31 3 times. 9 goes into 71. How many times? Huh? 7 times? You guys are killing me. Wait, was this comma here or was this a 1? Wait, I'm starting over. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All divided by 9. Doesn't go into this, goes into this once. Bring down the 1. Goes into 21. How many times? Thank you for that. Which gives you 18. Bring down the next one. Goes into 31. Which is, oh, I need to write smaller. Goes into 41. 4 times, which is 36. Goes into 51. 5 times, wait, where am I at here? Which is 45. Which gives me a 6 left, I'll put it right here. Goes into 61. Oh, look at that. 54. Goes into 71. goes into 81. Wait, can you believe that? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait,
The 8.
wait. Something's not right, is it?
Oh no.
How could we do the pattern and not get an 8 in there somewhere?
It's 8.
Did I do something wrong?
Yes.
No.
Redo it. Oh, you didn't add the 8.
What 8?
Just add another 1.
No, you can't just add something. I'm gonna do it on a calculator.
That's probably
1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
That's not.
Divided by
This is how you're
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
You did it right, Mr. Hawley. Whoa, it's not your fault. Good job.
Take a look, please, with me at page 114, just so you know how they'll ask you questions, so you'll get it.